ब्रेन डेड जाल्ल्या केरळच्या 22 वर्साच्या तरणाट्यान अवयवदानाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान 3 जाणांक जीवनदान दिले। साहिल हो मोपा विमानतळाचेर कामाक आशिल्लो। एका अपघातान ताच्या मेंदवाक मार लागिल्लो। 6 दीस गोंय वैजकी महाविद्यालयात ताचेर उपचार सुरू आशिल्ले। उपरांत दोतोरांनी ताका ब्रेन डेड म्हणून जाहीर केल्लो। साहिलाच्या फामिलीन ताचे अवयव दान करपाचो धाडसी निर्णय घेतलो। ताचे काळीज औरंगाबादच्या एकल्याक दिलेले आसा, जाल्यार 2 किडनी गोंयांतूच दिल्यात।
At Gomantak College, he was treated appropriately. I have a neurosurgeon with me who operated him, and his head injury was quite severe, and his score was 5, GCS score. So when the score is 5, sometimes it becomes very difficult for a person to survive. But we did our best. He was in the intensive care unit for almost 5 to 6 days, managed by our intensivist, and all ventilatory support was given. The patient is a native of Kerala, and we also were trying our best because of his age. He should be put to action, or he should survive. But he had a brain death very early after 6 days. The first apnea test came positive, and then our apnea brain death certification committee under Dr. Sangat Bhatkar, who is a neurologist, we conducted the first apnea test, and they found that patient had a signs of brain death. Again, he was kept on ventilator to see if things improve, but he did not improve, and the second apnea test also became positive. At this time, we felt that being a young patient, he could donate his organs for the benefit of patients who are on our Goa wait list for kidneys and other organs. We had put on ROTO, that is regional tissue transplant, and there was a recipient for the liver outside Goa, that is Aurangabad. So this organ was taken to Aurangabad as per the ROTO, classification, as per the ROTO priority. Whereas the 2 kidneys came to Goa Medical College for those 2 patients on the wait list. One of our recipients is just 24 years old. The second recipient is 39 years old. And both these patients were waiting for kidney because they are on dialysis and they are very sick patients.